Hello, Value family. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to share with you on how to make the perfect crunchy Nigerian buns. Just like this, you can see the outside is very crunchy and the inside is so tender. And this recipe is straightforward. Into your bowl, you're going to add in 8 cups of all-purpose flour. Go ahead now and add in 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to list the quantities of everything I use here in the caption below, so do well to check it out. So go ahead now and add in about 2 tablespoons of your baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg, and you're going to mix all this together. If you're not making up to 8 cups, it's that easy. You can just divide the whole quantities of everything we use here by 2. That's if you're making 4 cups of all-purpose flour, just use half cup of sugar, just half of everything I use here, and it's that easy. So after mixing the dry ingredients together, we are going to add in the wet ingredients now. So I'm going to add in about 5 tablespoons of margarine into this. And right now we are going to set aside the wooden spoon and use your hands to mix this very well. So I'm just going to use my hands and make sure that everything is perfectly mixed. If you don't want your buns soft like this, though it's very crunchy on the outside, but the inside is very tender. If you don't want it very soft, you can just reduce the amount of margarine that you add to your flour mixture. That is just the secret. If you want it very hard, like the rock buns, you can just reduce the amount of margarine you add. So I'm going to be adding now 2 whole eggs into this. Add in the water and mix everything all together. And for this quantity, I use 2 cups of water. So pour in the water and mix everything all together. But if you're starting out, you can just add in your water bit by bit. But after mixing, this is what it looks like. It's not very thick, it is not thin. So into the hot oil now, we are going to start frying this. The oil is just hot enough, it's tolerant enough. It's not too hot to brown the buns immediately. It is just hot. I hope you understand. So I'm going to be adding it bit by bit. You can use your hands to fry this just like I am doing. But if you don't want to get your hands messy, I'm going to share another method for you on how to make your buns. Let me add this here. Try not to overcrowd your oil whenever you are frying your pastries, your snacks. Try not to overcrowd your oil just like this. It really give it space for you to rise and fry evenly. You can see we are struggling with it here. You can see that I think I overestimated this pot. So I finally reduced the buns to another pot for it to fry. That is outside this video, but just flip to the other side for your buns to fry evenly. And when it is reduced in the pot, when it's not much, it's going to fry more faster than when it's very congested, just like that. So after it is well fried on both sides, this is what you have. You can see all those rough edges. It is very crunchy on the outside and it is perfectly fried inside. Remember, our oil wasn't too hot and it was not cool that your buns will soak oil. I'm going to show you the final result of this. But after taking this out from the hot oil, I'm going to show you how you can fry your buns without getting your hands messy. So you'll be using your ice cream scoop if you have one, just like this. Even though it's going to be a little bit difficult to leave the ice cream scoop, just dip it into your oil and it's just going to fall off easily, just like this. So if you don't want to get your hand messy, use your ice cream scoop. It works perfectly too. So you're just going to allow it to fry on both sides just like we did previously, and that is it. To make your own buns at home is very much easier. And if you follow this recipe, just take it from me. You're going to be a pro in buns making. Take a look at this, guys. This is so good. And this is the final result. Our crunchy Nigerian buns is ready. If I've enjoyed this recipe, please do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section below. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please take a moment and hit the subscribe button below. It means so well for me. And this is the final result, guys. See, the inside is very soft, the outside is very rough and crunchy, and it didn't soak any oil at all. You can see it didn't soak any oil at all. And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back with another recipe. Bye.